welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So today I wanted to show you all how I just tidy up my downstairs area when there's really not that much to do. I've kept my home pretty much clean and there's really nothing that I need to do today. I'm going to just tidy up around the living room, kitchen, dinette area, as well as I have a little bit of laundry motivation for you all. But that's about it. I don't have a long Sunday reset for you all today. Oh, enjoy.
Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me, baby. Won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush.
So I had this bag of trash, not realizing that there was already a bag in the trash can. So I'm just gonna sit this over here to the side. So I asked my husband to make some hot wings. So I'm gonna go ahead and season them. Getting your children to drink water. My son is not a water drinker, so he put this in his water. It's called Mio Vitamins. It's the orange tangerine flavor. I could just drink lemon juice in my water, or my water plain, or I even put lime juice in it, but he wasn't trying to hear plain water. But I've been trying to get him to drink more water than what he's been doing. So today I challenged him to drink a full bottle, and tonight I'm going to challenge him to drink another full bottle. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and season our meat up. So for my seasoning, I'm going to be using Kickin' Chicken, which is a seasoning that I get from Sam's Club. Red garlic, which is another seasoning from Sam's Club. Butcher's All-Purpose, another Sam's Club seasoning. And Slap Your Mama. This one I got from Walmart. I don't know if I've seen it at Sam's Club. I know it's all kind of spicy, but I'm just going to put a little bit on there. My son can tolerate some spice, so he'll be okay with it.
I just have to follow that, because you don't know who you're going to meet, who you're going to meet, who you're don't know who you're gonna meet.
So I didn't get a chance to tell you guys, so we are in the process of getting ready to do a huge project here in our home. We're going to be changing all the carpet out of all the bedrooms as well as the loft and the stairs. So I would like to take you guys along with me as we tackle that project. This is what my floors look like. So I'm going to be putting this color in the loft as well as on the stairs. And for the bedrooms, I love cherry wood, so I'm going to be switching the bedrooms to cherry wood. It's simple, it's easy, I can see it. And you know, my husband just wants the main floor and the loft as well as the stairs to match, but the bedrooms he doesn't care about. So I'm just going to be putting cherry wood in all the bedrooms, and we hopefully will start that project sometime next month. We need to get tomorrow we'll go ahead and get everything ordered, because we were going to go get it ordered today, and because my husband is a vet, he tries to get his discount as much as possible as well as deserved, but he wasn't able to get it when he went in store. So hopefully we'll get it ordered tomorrow.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough.
Alright, so we are moving into some laundry motivation, and I really do appreciate you all sticking with me. If you have stuck with me this far in the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that you do not miss any of my videos, and so that you will get a notification when I post. So we are just folding some of the laundry that I already had, and I did start a load. I did have to cut a lot of my content out because I got hot, and I changed my bottoms, as you can see, and I put on some leggings. Girl, not the business, because my underwear was showing all through it, but it is what it is, and we're just gonna keep pushing. I cut a lot of the video, but I just really wanted to get some content out for you all, but I didn't want it to be jacked up and horrible, so I didn't cut out important stuff, but I cut out stuff that I felt was just inappropriate, because I'm somebody's mama and wife, and you know, I just, no ma'am, not the business. So I was trying to find something to watch while I was, actually I think I was talking to one of my good friends, and then after that I started trying to find something to watch as well, but I started doing folding the laundry, and then I will move into my closet. And if you all remember, I have another video up that I was showing you some of my closet clean out, and so we are still working on it. But I did want to let you all know that it's not going to completely be finished until my husband does the flooring, because that way I'll actually be able to move in pieces after he does the flooring.